creating health and fitness helps with mental health and making those steps forward. They can sign them out and use them to get to appointments. So thank you very much from SHB.
It's been great. We've built teams, we've built bikes, we've done something for charity. So the activities, the challenge has been superb. So it's been perfect for what we wanted for the conference.
This year I thought, why can't we do something for good? Why can't we use that to improve the community and have a better social impact, something somebody can use? So I've done these in the past, but they've always been not for a good cause. This is the first time we've ever done something that's had a charity partnership.